Imagine embarking on a road trip with the warmth of the sun above and an open road ahead, accompanied by your favorite melodies. Suddenly, your journey hits a minor snag, a flat tire, turning what was an idyllic drive into a challenging adventure. This is not just about a flat tire, it's an unexpected twist in your journey. As we shift focus from the immediate setback to finding a solution, we embark on a practical journey of DIY tire repair, equipping you not only with the ability to mend a tire, but also with a mindset ready to tackle life's unforeseen challenges head-on. A DIY tire repair kit or a sealant becomes our immediate ally, serving as a quick fix to get us moving. These tools are not just about tire repair, they symbolize empowerment and the capacity to navigate obstacles with autonomy. This journey from confusion to capability emphasizes our theme of self-reliance and preparation, transforming daunting problems into manageable tasks and reinforcing our confidence to face adversity. Navigating through DIY tire repair, we dive into the specifics of each step, underscoring the importance of preparation and precise application of sealant. This process isn't just about remedying a puncture, it's a practice in mindfulness and patience, breathing life back into our journey with each action taken. Watching the tire gradually regain its shape symbolizes our resilience in overcoming obstacles. This experience is not solely about repairing a flat, but is a broader lesson in facing life's unpredictability with newfound confidence. As we conclude this episode, remember that our capacity to persevere through such challenges prepares us for future adventures, reinforcing the essence of this experience as one of growth and self-assurance. With our tire temporarily secured, the journey towards professional care underscores the importance of knowledge and caution. Our encounters with adversity, much like today's tire tribulation, teach us the significance of both temporary solutions and the pursuit of comprehensive fixes, guiding us toward a deeper understanding of our journey's unpredictability and the value of preparedness and professional support. Reaching the repair shop marks the culmination of our journey, a narrative of resilience, preparedness, and resourcefulness. This experience transcends a mere flat tire, symbolizing the overcoming of challenges through knowledge and calm. Equipped with valuable lessons for the road ahead, we're reminded of the power of self-reliance and the essence of facing obstacles with confidence. Driving away, let this adventure reinforce the notion that with the right preparation, challenges transform into opportunities for growth, leaving us better equipped for whatever lies ahead on our journeys.